Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, we're going to install the latest version of Python at the time of this recording on your Windows machine, and we're going to also install VS Code and set VS Code up to run Python on your Windows machine. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is install Python, and Microsoft has made this incredibly easy with the Microsoft Store. So in the search bar here, I'm going to search for the Microsoft Store. And I'm going to click open. Here, I'm going to search for Python and hit enter. And you'll see that we have Python 3.11, it's free. If we go down, we see we have Python 3.12. That's the latest version at the time of this recording. I'm going to click get, and it's going to go ahead and download and install Python. And once it says open, we can close this out actually. And what we're going to do here is go back to the search bar and type CMD, and we want to open the command prompt. So we're going to click open, and this is just to check our installation. I'm going to type Python, and we see that now we go to Python repl here, and this is Python 3.12.0 is installed. And from here we can do some Python. We can print something like 2 plus 3, hit enter, and we get 5, and so on. And we can exit out of this just like this. Okay, so we have Python installed, so I can close this out. Our next step is to go ahead and get VS Code. So I'm going to open up a browser here, and I'm going to search for VS Code and hit enter. And you'll see here, I'm going to go to the website code.visualstudio.com. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to download for Windows, so I'll click to download. I'm now going to open this file, and I'll accept the agreement, click next, next, next. I'm going to add these options here, click next, and click install. Okay, I'm going to leave Launch Visual Studio Code checked. I'm going to click finish, and I'm going to right click. I'll pin this to the taskbar because I use Visual Studio Code a lot. I'm going to mark this stuff done. I'll maximize this. Let's create a folder. So I'm going to open up a folder, and I'm just going to create a new folder on the desktop called Python, and we'll select that folder. VS Code is going to ask me if I trust the authors. Since I created it, yes, I trust the authors. I'm going to close out the welcome screen here, and let's create a file, and let's call it test.py. I'll hit enter. And once I do that, it actually prompts me to install the recommended Python extension from Microsoft for the Python language. You could also search in the extensions over here if that doesn't come up. I'm going to click install, and you see this is the extension pack from Microsoft. So again, if that didn't come up, click on the extensions and search for Python. It will be one of your first few choices. Okay, so if I go back here, we see that we've got it installed. I'm going to close out this stuff, go back to my test.py. Let me make this a little bit larger for you. And let's do print. And we'll do 2 plus 3 again, something simple. I'm going to now have this play button here where I can click on the play button and it will save it and run the file for me. So let's do that. And you'll see here that we get the result of 5. So now it's running Python in the console in VS Code. So you're all set up, ready to go to begin programming Python on your Windows machine with VS Code. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you.